Have you cut gluten, cut dairy, and even tried another gut reset, but the bloating won't stop and the weight, it won't drop? Here's why food elimination alone doesn't work. In this video, you'll learn why gut inflammation could be blocking your fat loss and how functional labs can finally show you which foods your body needs to heal. Drop the word test below and I'll DM you the guide that explains how I use testing to customize nutrition and reduce gut stress.
Whoever said it can't be done must not have met you. Go after everything you want, give it the best you. Make yourself unstoppable. It's never too late to crush your goal.
Hi, I'm Nikia, your favorite functional fat loss coach and creator of the Sexy and Strong Method. I help women lose the fat and keep it off, even when their hormones feel completely out of control. No detox teas, no starvation diets, and definitely no eat less, move more nonsense. Just real science-backed fat loss that works for your body, not against it. And in every video, I'll give you one simple step you can take today to start seeing real results. Because you deserve to lose weight, shed inches, and finally feel good in your body again. Let's talk about how functional labs can help your gut and your fat loss finally work together. You want a flatter stomach. You want to beat the bloat. You want to feel good in your body again. So you start cutting food after food, gluten, dairy, sugar, maybe even eggs or coffee, but nothing changes. The bloating stays, the weight stays, and you're left confused and frustrated. Here's what no one is telling you. You can't guess your way to healing. Just because a food is healthy doesn't mean that it's right for your body. Just because it worked for someone else doesn't mean it'll work for your body. If your gut is inflamed, your body is stressed, and when your body's stressed, it stores fat and slows your metabolism. That's why I run functional labs like the mediator release test to find out which foods and chemicals are causing hidden inflammation. I also run a metabolic typing test to figure out how your body processes carbs, proteins, and fats. Because once you start guessing and start eating based on your own data, the bloating goes down, the cravings disappear, and the fat finally starts to come off. And here's how you can get started. Stop guessing and start tracking. Write down what you eat and how you feel after you eat. That's the first step to seeing your own food patterns before you get into testing. So go ahead, drop tests below, and I'll DM you my free guide on how functional lab testing can help you heal your gut, balance your metabolism, and finally lose the weight without cutting random foods ever again. Your gut is the control center. Let's give it what it needs based on real answers. I'm Nikia, your favorite functional fat loss coach, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Whoever said it can't be done must not have met you. Go after everything you want, give it the best you. Make yourself unstoppable. It's never too late to crush your goal.